Yeah, boy. Another day, another vlog for you, bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm up here once again with bro. I appreciate it. I'm gonna come over there and check you out. Alright. But yeah, man. Yeah, he got me as soon as I got out the car, man. My boy over there, I'm gonna go check him out in a minute, let y'all see what he's slanging over there. But yeah, we over here in Riverdale today off Highway 85 at a truck meet. Got bro with me, got Goldilocks back there. Goldilocks was on beam. She was on beam. You see the tire back there glistening like a mug. She was on beam to this shit here. They done got a player. You see it? I don't know if y'all can see that bird shit right there. And on the window. On the windshield. But she's still on beam though. Yep. New headlights and fog lights on the way. Or as you car niggas on YouTube say, new mods on the way. New mods on the way, nigga. Y'all like them calipers? I'm gonna tell y'all where to get them calipers painted from. My dog, Young J on IG, hit him up. I'm gonna drop his shit below, right here on the screen. But that boy fire with the paint game. He got me right. He got bro car right too. Bro got his painted. He about to get another color though. You see it up in there. Red things on there, they up in there. But yeah, man, y'all know who this is. This Hollywood T. Hollywood T. Relentless mob. Boy, out here with the pipes on that thing, boy. I don't play with them. Hit them niggas with that wom. Ha! Gay! Big ass tablet in there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna walk down here and show y'all some of these trucks. You know what I'm saying? See what my man over here talking about. Get some of his food on camera. I done ate it already. Get some of his food on camera. Let's see what you working with, big homie. Let me see what you working with. Put your business on there.
Tasso, man, come check us out, man. Tasso LLC. We're on Highway 85. We got fried fish and everything.
Okay.
That's my wife right here, Jamie, man. You know how we rock.
Okay.
Everything family oriented, baby.
Okay.
Black on, man. Independent.
Okay. He got at me as soon as I got out the car. I had to come see what he was working with over here.
Follow us on IG, man. Tasso LLC.
Okay, we got you. Facebook too?
No, I ain't
Facebook
okay.
too. Tasso on Facebook.
Okay.
Tasso
You over the
LLC
Facebook
on
then.
I'm over everything.
I don't have a Facebook.
Yeah.
I just got IG and YouTube.
Instagram. I got a business one though.
Okay.
For my business.
For sure, you need that.
Show them that fish cooking, homie. Fresh. Everything is fresh, my boy. Fish.
Get you over here.
Everything fresh, man.
Y'all see it. We over here on 85. Y'all see it. Riverdale. Yes, sir. You do catering?
Catering and everything,
Let
man.
them know.
Catering and everything, man.
Let them know, man.
Catering.
Look for all that, man. I'm gonna support you.
You want niggas just pull up and come cook, I got you.
Yeah.
We pulling up.
For sure.
Right in your driveway.
For sure.
Appreciate you.
For sure. I got you, bro. I'm gonna tag you when I drop the video on IG.
I got you, man.
I got you. Got here with this 454 SS Chevy truck. Make sure I don't step in no dog shit with these on. Man, got the shifter in the flow and everything. Got the gauges in there. I like this. Cal induction hood. White with the red, cocaine on the front. Y'all see the plate say cocaine. 454 SS. My boy truck right here. Got the Hummer out here. That's my mechanic who built my Monte Carlo when I had it. That's before I was doing YouTube. I had an 86 Monte Carlo LS. Ooh, deep ass dish. Deep dish. The wide boys on the. This bitch hard. Too hard. It's too hard. What's going on, big homie?
What's up, man? Y'all
all right?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
All right. Red. Y'all seen this on the channel before. Still hard. And that was months ago. Get in, shut up, and hold on. For sure. You got the old ones right here on the side. Y'all see him? It's light out here right now. I wonder if some more trucks gonna pull up. We just got here, man, bro. They're still sitting over there in the whip. Yeah, checking in on your ass one time. Thought I ain't see you over here. Okay. Y'all see him outside the shop, Gil. What's happening, man? What you gonna charge me for a swap? Put him on blast, yo. What you gonna charge me for a swap?
Oh, I don't do
Trying to LS the GS.
I don't do that.
What?
I'm retired.
Oh, shit.
I sell cars, man.
That's what we do with retirement money, man.
You wanna buy a car, get in.
You wanna buy this truck right here?
20,000. Take it home.
Man, let me see the motor.
20 grand. Man, it ain't clean.
Yeah.
I don't like to
This
show it.
nigga here, man. Look at his ear, man. Look at this nigga ear, man. And they got waves now. Oh, shit. Got brand new. Yeah, he's still pulling up, man. He just pulled up with the Vert. Oh, my bad, y'all. I walked in with it zoomed in. Y'all gonna be on my head. This Vert clean.
Everybody in the process.
This bitch clean.
Appreciate that.
Another truck just pulled up. Wheels on there. Fire. 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 What's up, bro? Project truck right there. Project truck. What's up with you? Ford Lightning. Ford Lightning. Boy done pulled up with the Cutlass. Y'all seen this? I had this in the older video on the channel. Y'all kept asking about the rims that he had on it before. He got these on there now. Euro clip. He the only nigga I know locked the door when we all outside by the cars. Bro, made you lock the door, bro? Made you lock the door. We out here by the cars, bro. That's how you make a nigga feel bad about their decisions in life.
I wouldn't know why I got down clean ass.
Ain't nothing out here.
My backyard it is.
Man, that's why you put them on when you leave the yard. I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. This nigga trying to copyright strike me and everything, man. God damn. In the cut, dog. Y'all see me in the cut, dog. Okay. Riding in this guy. Stole this nigga car. Stole this nigga car. What's up? What'd you say?
That motherfucker one time.
I ain't got but 350 in here. That's it.
Did you get you some of that fish, homie?
Nah, not yet.
I got it, my boy.
I got you.
Jumping out that creek.
All right. How much you want for it? do it. I ain't gonna do it. Video been long overdue of me driving this car, man. I like this car. For real, bro. I like this car. If I had to change anything, I would switch the seat so I could recline in this guy, because I'm tall, so I'm sitting up straight. And the wheel like right there. I don't like that. My Monte Carlo, I could recline my seats and everything when I had it. But, you know what I'm saying? The car rides smooth for the wheels being on here and everything. It definitely rides smooth. I give them that. This shifter though, ooh, this shifter difficult as hell. I'm not a racer, y'all. I just know how to drive fast shit. But I'm not a racer. For all you people out there watching that be reporting niggas. But yeah, man, we're gonna get back at y'all in a minute, 100. Oh yeah, and I move this damn tack. I move this tack, I put this tack up here. I move it from right there, cause my leg, you know, but I gotta have all that leg room, but I ain't messing with it right there. No sir. But yeah though, appreciate my dog for letting me drive his car. He's another one of my mechanics. You gotta have several mechanics on deck when you messing with these cars, man. So he another one of my mechanics. He hooked my music up in Goldilocks for me. He did it in Bruh car. Every car I get that I put music in, he do. He do mechanical work too, you know what I'm saying? So he gonna be the one add on my new mods, you know what I'm saying? So y'all be on the lookout for that. New mods on the way for sure. Truck got a pearl on it. You got that compressor. You got that air horn on there. Now she clean over there. Clean. I ain't really show y'all her like that, but she clean. He running. She clean. I got the back door locked. She clean. Yes, sir. She clean, boy. Yo! Let me turn this down, this air down. Man, we just left. It wasn't really too much going on out there as y'all saw in the video. I thought it was gonna be more than what it was out there. Look at the GTR. I thought it was gonna be more than what it was out there, man. But you know what I'm saying? We headed in, you know what I'm saying, bro, going to his crib, I'm going to my crib, and that's how we live. But nah though, man. If you've been watching this video, if this is your first time watching my channel or tuning in to the lifestyle, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and join the lifestyle by hitting that subscribe button, that bell, and share this thing and hit that like, which is that thumbs up button, you know what I'm saying? Keep going up all 2021 and beyond. But yeah, man, they had a few decent trucks out there, a bunch of project trucks. Y'all seen I drove my boy Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate him once again for that, boy. Just made me feel like getting another old school. So you never know, man. Look forward to that. Damn, it look kind of dark in here. Hold on. Ooh, that's what we got the roof for. Glad I got that. But yeah, if anything else pop off, I'll cut this camera back on. If not, man, y'all know how I end all my videos. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and bring a friend over here to Ken's Lifestyle Vlogs videos to get a what? Bang, got a life. And until that next one, about here like last year, gone. Boy, I can't do the little shit with my hand because I'm driving right now, so I gotta focus on the road, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna fall with you.